Man, what it do? What's poppin'? What's good? What's crackin' lacking? What it do, family? It's Corey the Phone Trader, and we back with another banger, y'all. We currently in a trade right now. You can see that. Look at the bottom of the screen. We currently in a trade on gold, y'all. And check this out. I'm screen recording from my phone, man, because you know what my name is. You know who he is out here, man. We Corey the Phone Trader. We got to be trading and recording from the phone, man. You currently seeing me do this live, y'all. I was like, this is what I'm going to do, man, because it's been a while since I've done this. I'm going to actually screen record a live trade, man. Been a while since I've done this, man. I think this was pretty cool. This is my Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 phone. And yeah, I was like, we're going to do this today. So I think I'm getting ready to close, guys. I really would love this. Man, we almost at 1,000. Wow. I need 1,000. Wow. Oh, we almost there. I'm getting ready to close. Y'all see that? Live in the flesh, baby. I need 1,000. Wow. Oh, shoot. Come on. 856. Keep going up a little bit. Oh, we out of there like hot fish grease. Oh, my gosh. I can't close fast enough. Man, dang. I needed to go back up a little bit. I was just done, man. Come on, gold. Go back up a little bit. Go on back up there, playboy. I couldn't close the daggone tab fast enough, man. All right, y'all. I'm finna close the trade, man. So I'm looking for the market to give me 51,000 on this account, man, and then I'ma close, y'all. That's what I'm looking for, man. Once the market give my account. Oh, we out of there like hot fish grease. We out, baby. Boom! Live on the phone, man. All day, every day, man. This is what I want to say to this trade. That's how you trade. From now on, you trade like that. Trade like that from now on, boy. Make sure you use your proper risk management. Make sure you stick to your guns and your strategy, supply and demand. Make sure you don't get greedy. Make sure you be disciplined and remain disciplined and maintain all 5 of them, and you're going to be successful at this. Everybody go night-night. Hey, you know what? Go to sleep. Go to sleep, right? Hey, go to sleep right now, because this boy on fire. Yeah, go to sleep. Hey, take your butt to sleep right now. Yes, sir, man. Good trade, baby. Woo! I needed that, man. All right, now I'm going to explain the trade to you guys. So now we're going to explain the trade, man. As you guys can see, I believe I'm back in action with gold, man. Gold gave me a fresh, beautiful supply and demand, bouncing off my 200 EMA back in the day trade, man. This is my bread and butter. This is what I used to do, man. The trade that I was looking at that made me was like, man, I want to get in this, was this trade right here, guys. Let's see. Okay, I can delete this. All right, so if I get rid of that white line, and I get rid of this box. So I had just been waiting for the market to come back down, man. The market just kept coming down, almost touching this EMA. So I was in this trade since this morning. At about, I think I was in this trade maybe about 7 or 8 something, man. All right, so here's a short video clip of when I first got in that trade, because I couldn't remember. Here we go. All right, so after going back and looking at it, I was in this trade for about 2 hours, y'all. The reason why I took this trade, man, was because of this 5-minute demand zone right here. And I think I had like a 6-point stop loss. 6-point stop loss, and I risked about 8 contracts. That is $480. So I risked almost about $500 on this trade. So as you guys can see right there, this also right here. So we broke structure right here, guys. If I go back to the left, you you see all this over here? All this got broken by this. So this yellow square to the left, and then I looked over here. This square right here broke all the structure to the left-hand side that's over here. So you know what? That means that a demand zone is coming. So another thing that I looked at this high right here. We broke structure with this candle, with these candles. So you know what that means? That left a demand zone going to the upside. So one thing that stuck out to me as the market was playing around, it left not one, not two, not three, but 4 beautiful, strong green candles. If I minimize that and if I zoom in, you'll see this red candle that's right here. Y'all see that red candle right there? I always start with a red candle, and then I have to see more strong candles going to the upside, breaking structure, which is right here. And it clearly got broken by all this over here. So I said, okay, my supply and demand is in effect. My supply and demand is in effect right now. It broke structure. It broke a previous high. It's going to leave gaps. So this demand zone right here is very valid until my spot get hit. So I was just waiting for the market. We was looking at this purple 200 EMA. And once I saw that it hit the first big box and then it tapped the 200 EMA, I went on and got in, and then I just made room enough in case it wanted to come down and tap my second entry. In case it wanted to do that, I wanted to give it enough room and enough wiggle room to move how it was gonna move. So you see this, my position box covered all that demand zone, even to the bottom of my second entry. The second entry was the picture perfect entry, but I ended up getting in because of that 200 EMA. But man, once I seen it tap my spot, I held it. As you guys can see, man, now I'm gonna get rid of that. Now I'm gonna get rid of this. And now I'm in this trade until, you know what I'm saying, it do something. As you guys can see, it almost hit my stop loss, man. I'm like, man, this thing ain't even valid no more, man. I was finna close this joker, man. But I kept hearing Cave Trader. Shout out to you again, dog. I kept hearing Cave in my head. Cave was like, man, don't prematurely get out these trades. In so many words, stay in the trade and just let it hit your stop loss. I said, you know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna trust the process. I'm gonna trust my strategy. My strategy works. It just, sometimes the market don't give me what I want, and then it just do whatever it want. And then, you know what I'm saying? The market is just gonna do what it do, man. So I need to just trust the process. It's either gonna hit my TP or my stop loss and just let it go, man. I stayed in this trade, y'all. And as you guys can see live, I ended up, my TP was right here. My TP was up there for a 1 to 2. So I was aiming for a 1 to 2. A 1 to 2 with a 6-point stop loss, and I risked 8 micros is $480 plus $480. And I'm aiming for a 1 to 2, so 480 times 2 is $960. I really wanted to have this account above 51,000 or at 51,000. That was my game plan. So I forgot that I ended up having a profit of $147, so I only needed like $900. That's why you see account summary right there, $908. I only needed $900 some. I just wanted to get 51,000, man. So man, that was a great trade, man. Supply and demand worked out for me, and it's continuing to work out for me. I just got to be patient and trust the process. I decided to go back to gold, man. It seems like gold wants to act right now. Gold is that ex that just, it's a toxic relationship that you keep coming back to. This is exactly how me and gold have been, man. We've been toxic. I don't like her, she don't like me, but we love each other. We gonna make it happen. We still gonna stick together, man. it's like, man, Gold been having these hot girl summers, and then, you know what I'm saying, she out there doing her thing. She out there showing her body and everything. Hot girl summer fully activated. Now that the fall season is slowly coming up and we're gonna hit fall and then winter, now she want the cupping season now. Now she want to be back together after she was out there being a 304 in the streets. Now you want to come back and play house. I'm like, man, Gold, I can't stand Gold. This is what Gold reminds me of, man. It just do whatever it want to do during the summer. And I've made future notes. I'm not trading Gold no more during the summer months. If Gold is going to keep having the 304 behavior, well, you can go over there and do what you do. You know what I'm saying? When you decide to act right, when you decide to want to come back to your senses, and when you decide to want to just get everything back on track and start the market start to, you know what I'm saying, move like how I want to move it, hey, we good. I'll trade you again, man. So I believe that Gold is out of the 304 hot girl summer behavior now, out of that phase now. Because today, I caught a hell of a Gold setup, man. This is my picture perfect supply and demand. All during the summer, this 304 didn't want to act right. No zones was respected. Gold just wanted to do whatever it wanted to do. It just disrespected me all over the place, having my emotions going everywhere. So future references, the 304 behavior in the summertime, I won't be trading it. But the fall is slowly coming up, so I was like, let me give it another shot. Gold, if you want me to continue to trade you 304, I'm gonna need you to behave. I believe the 304 might be out of it now. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. But hey, it worked out for me, man. This was a picture perfect, beautiful trade, man. Hey, make sure y'all liking the video and clicking the notification bell for new people. Subscribe to the channel. I will be doing a giveaway soon, man. I said after we hit 1,000 subscribers, we was gonna do a giveaway. So giveaway coming soon. Giveaway fully activated, baby. I'm giving back to the people who've been supporting me, man. Y'all been rocking with your boy. Y'all been making y'all been doing your thing. You been doing your thizzle for shizzle, my nizzle. And you know the motto after every end of the video. In 3, 2, 1. Y'all know what that is, man. For the new people, for the older crew out there, man. Y'all know what I do, man. I holla. Peace out, baby. Good trade. Deuces. Peace.